BMW Motorrad unveils the Tracker, an accessories package for the BMW R12 NINET that translates the unmistakable design language of flat-track racing into street-ready customization. Inspired by a motorsport discipline celebrated worldwide for its thrilling dynamics and spectacular drifts on oval dirt tracks, the kit pays homage to this distinctive style. The Tracker endows the BMW R12 NINET with a strong and powerful presence. A short, sporty rear section, a signature cockpit fairing, and striking number plates define the look, taking cues from machines that have become design icons far beyond the racetrack. Features and design of the Tracker accessories package. Flat-track machines embody pure dynamism. Compact proportions, clean lines, and bold details create their unmistakable presence. Characteristic features include the short rear, prominent number plates, and a silhouette pared down to pure racing, captivating both motorsport fans and the global customizing scene. BMW Motorrad captures this spirit with the Tracker accessories package for the BMW R12 NINET. Every element is designed to bring the purest racing character to the street. The result is a motorcycle that radiates dynamism even at a standstill, with crisp lines, authentic flat-track touches, and a unique character that makes the R12 NINET a true statement. The Tracker accessories package for the BMW R12 NINET includes short rear-end Tracker Blackstorm Metallic, including license plate holder, available in black or silver, and multi-functional indicators. Cockpit fairing Tracker Blackstorm Metallic. Number plate Blackstorm Metallic. Tracker sticker set for number plates and lamp mask. Front wheel cover 17-inch Blackstorm Metallic. These package components are also available individually, offering a high degree of customization when combined with other original BMW Motorrad accessories.